In the heart of northern Spain, where time slows down and the modern world forgets to tread, lies a land sculpted by silence. Here in the Bardenas Reales, nature writes poetry in stone, wind, and sky. A place so ancient, it feels untouched by time itself. This is not just a journey through a landscape. It's an odyssey into the soul of the earth. And your story begins now. Once forbidden royal hunting grounds, these lands have been shaped by centuries of erosion and isolation. No cities rise here, only raw beauty carved from clay, gypsum, and sandstone. At its heart stands Castildetierra, a lone sentinel of rock, rising like a forgotten castle above the desert floor. It watches. It remembers. And if you listen closely, it speaks. Wind and water are the artists here. Patient, persistent, and powerful. They've spent millennia shaping ravines, plateaus, and towers that defy imagination. Castildetierra is their masterpiece, a natural sculpture standing tall against the sky, whispering tales of erosion and endurance. Every grain of dust carries history. Every gust tells a story. Step into the white Bardena, a pale expanse of chalk and gypsum, blinding under the sun, surreal under the stars. Paths twist through hoodoos and fossilized dunes, leading explorers through a dreamlike world where life clings stubbornly to existence. Suddenly, a whirlwind rises, a dance of dust and shadow, vanishing as quickly as it came. Now enter the black Bardena. Darker, moodier, alive with mystery. Iron-rich soil glows crimson at sunset, casting long shadows across eroded canyons. Locals say ghosts still wander here. Warriors, shepherds, dreamers. The silence feels heavier, as if the land remembers everything. And then, a low rumble echoes through the hills. Is it thunder? Or something else? Above it all lies the central plateau, a throne of earth overlooking the kingdom below. From here, the entire region unfolds in a breathtaking panorama of textures and colors. Cornfields sway gently at its edge, a rare touch of humanity in a land ruled by time and erosion. As the sun dips low, golden light spills over the valley like liquid fire. Above the Bardenas, the sky is alive. Clouds drift like brushstrokes across a canvas. At night, stars blaze in numbers unseen elsewhere. The Milky Way arcs overhead like a celestial river. Griffin vultures soar high, circling silently on thermals, scanning for movement far below. A hawk dives suddenly, disappearing behind a ridge, then reappearing, talons empty. The hunt continues. Walking these trails is like stepping into another era. Each path holds echoes of shepherds, traders, knights, even modern adventurers. You pass crumbling shepherd huts, open to the sky. Inside, fragments of pottery whisper of lives once lived in harmony with the land. The breeze returns, carrying the scent of sagebrush and distant rain. For those who seek adventure, the Bardenas offer a playground of gravel roads and rugged paths. Bike tires kick up plumes of dust, engines growl against the vastness. Each turn reveals another masterpiece. Narrow canyons, wide open plains, and mesas rising like islands in a sea of erosion. And then, a fox watches silently from a ridge before vanishing into the brush. This land has played many roles. Tatooine, Westeros, the wild frontier. Filmmakers come for its alien beauty, its timeless allure. As you stand beneath a towering cabizo, you can almost see dragons in the sky or Jedi dueling atop cliffs. Reality bends. Imagination takes hold. You are no longer a traveler. You are part of the scene.